Imagine waking up and the world doesn't know you anymore. Your friends? They pass you like a stranger. Your home? Someone else lives there now. Your name? Gone. It's like you've been erased from existence. No memories, no recognition, no one to say, I'm glad you're here. Most people would break, most people would hide in the dark, but not him. Peter Parker. Yeah, Spiderman. In No Way Home, the moment the world forgets him, he's left with nothing. Not even the people he loves know who he is. It's complete silence. But here's the part most people miss. He doesn't let that silence crush him. He takes his pain and turns it into purpose. He stitches his own suit, and then, without a single person to cheer him on, he walks out into the city. Not for fame, not for recognition, but because doing the right thing is the mission, and the mission doesn't stop just because life got hard. That's the thing about life. Sometimes it will strip you bare. It will take your people, your comfort, your security, and in that moment, you have two choices: stay broken or build again. Peter didn't wait for someone to believe in him. He became the believer. He moved forward when no one was watching. And that's the part that makes a hero. Not the powers, not the suit, but the choice to keep going. So maybe today feels like the world's forgotten you. Maybe no one's cheering for you right now. Maybe it's just you in the silence. But like Peter Parker, stand up, suit up, and get ready for your brand new day.
No pressure. Wow, that was a really good one.